Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to start page numbering from a specific page in Word. So let's get right into the video. For that, just we go to paragraph section, and here you can see there are no page breaks in the page, and all we want to create is a section break from the specific page we want to add our page number from. So suppose I want to add my page number from this second page, and then for that I will go to page layout section and create a section break in my desired location. So I want my section break from here, and I'm going to section break and click on next page, and a new section break is created. So the first page is section 1 and the rest of the pages are in section 2. So if we go to insert and click on the page number option, and I want to add my page number from 1 like this. So here you can see there is section 1 and this is section 2 in both header and footer, and as I don't want my section 1 and 2 to link with each other, so I will turn it off, link to previous, and it's turned off. And as I want my page number 2 to start from 1, so I will go to insert again and go to page number, format page numbers, and here start at 1 and click on OK, and just go to home, move paragraph section, and here you can see my page number is starting from 1 in section 2, and it is rest of the pages gradually 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.